Hi guys! Welcome back po ulit sa aking channel. Today's videos, we're going to unbox yung binigay ng aming boss sa aming company. So guys, every year as usual, kapag Chinese New Year, nagbibigay sila ng mga gift. But this time, ito po yung gift namin na through APP online na binibigay. So it's up to you kung ano po yung kukunin mo kasi merong mga food, merong mga kitchen stuff and everything. So, but merong limit yung card na ibibigay sa'yo. Worth of 300 RMB dito sa China. Time is 7. Kayo nang bahala mag-compute. So, pinili ko po ay ang air fryer. So, let's see. So, iisa lang yung kulay guys. Pink. Ayan. Wala siyang black, walang gray. So, isa lang, walang pagpipilian, kundi isa lang. Ayan guys, hindi siya ganun kalaki. So, parang only good 2 persons lang ang kaya ng capacity ng lagayan niya na food na pwede nating i-fry. Keep on watching guys. Ayan, yung brand niya. Made in China, Liven ang pangalan. Ayan. Yung quality niya guys, okay naman. Looks good. Ayan, makintab siya. Tsaka, kaya lang guys, maliit lang talaga siya dun sa loob. Konti lang talagang mailalagay. Parang, if yung chicken legs mo na maliliit, kasya lang mga 8, ganon. Only good 2 persons lang talaga ito na food. Yan guys, kaliit lang, hindi ganun kalaki. Ito guys, yung instruction niya, sabi niya dito 18 to 25 minutes yung french fries, 12 to 16 minutes yung cake, 18 to 25 minutes yung isda, fish, 10 to 15 minutes yung mga meat, and yung chicken, 25 to 30 minutes, at yung seafoods, 12 to 18 minutes. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next vlog.